Oh my god, you guys, we just got coffee. If my coffee don't fucking look like this, bitch, I don't want it.
This looks so good.
Anyway, we're going to be adults right now, but we are in our PJs. We're going to the grocery store. If you know us in real life, no you don't. If you see us in real life, no you didn't. Thanks. Oh, it tastes nice.
So good.
And you know it's good when you moan. Like I said, the fits go crazy.
Let's go crazy.
Hi vlog. It's been a second since I vlogged today, and that is because my camera battery died. I forgot to charge it all night. But you know what? That's some kinks we're just gonna have to work out, vlogging every single day. I only have one battery for this camera, which I need to get a secondary one. That's on my list. But I'm making breakfast burritos for Trevor and I right now, and yeah, it's like a good Saturday. It's like we woke up pretty early. I mean, it's 12 right now, but we went grocery shopping and got coffee. So like, anyway, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my bomb ass breakfast burritos, or at least how I assemble them. First things first, tortilla. Tortilla, okay? Next, sour cream. Bam. Kind of a big old dollop, but that's okay. Chirura. My homemade potatoes, literally so bomb. Some little sausage that I cut up. And don't forget the best parts. Egg white and spinach scramble, okay? It doesn't sound the most amazing, but it is. Boom, okay? She's a little hefty, but you know, we don't discriminate. We're gonna try to wrap this. Oh my god. She is literally busting out the damn seams. Parchment paper. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Like that, okay. Wrap it up. For my man. Thank you for my man.
Ooh, wow. Thank you so much, babe. That looks so good.
Keep your man fed and he'll be happy, y'all. Bam. Coffee, breakfast burrito. I don't have enough hands. We're gonna watch some YouTube, and I'm gonna charge the battery, so I'll update you guys in a little bit. Hi vlog. It's been a second again. I'm sorry if today's video is a little bit patchy as far as like the footage goes. I've been currently sitting on the couch for like the past 2 hours. Editing though. I just posted my video on TikTok, so if you haven't yet, you should go watch it. It's really fun. It's my date night, like get ready with me. And Trev brought me a Gatorade.
Okay, so I started with the dishes. There's still a few left. Dishwasher running. Clean dishes. And then I mopped the floors so they look really good. And I wiped the countertops so the countertops look really good. And mop the floors in here. And that's about it. Nap time. Nap time for other people too.
I don't even give a fuck. I'm gonna have a chickle. Fuck the club.
A chickle?
Fuck this club up. Fuck this club up. It's a Saturday after a long fucking week. We just gotta like, you know.
Go live on Twitch at TV Kid.
We are going live tonight, but
Yeah.
I'm bored. I think that's why I want to eat food.
I'm sick right now, bro. So I felt like I had to clean though.
I feel like you just made our energy in our home
Yeah, I love
better. Okay. thanks to Kate, let me not flash y'all. Thanks to Kate, I'm trying to chickle, okay? I still don't ever know which burner is which. We have the cheese. I'm gonna put the cheese. Actually, first, before I put the cheese, I'm gonna take my pickle. We have Mount Olive. Where does anyone else not fucking like reaching into a pickle jar? Like, it kind of icks me out. I don't like getting pickles juice on my... I don't like pickle juice, okay? Fucking sue me. I feel like I'm gonna get better results if I dry out the pickle, and I'll probably get even better results if I smoke some weed. Thanks, Mom, for leaving this here. Up next is cheese. Sargento, sponsor me. I've seen it happen, y'all. It can happen, okay? Alright, but what about a little red pepper flake? Let's do a little red pepper flake. This is what we're looking like. We got cheese in a pan. I know, groundbreaking. Okay, I feel like I have to wait until it like melts and crisps up, and then put the chickle in, or the pickle in. This is how fucking dry I like my phone to be, bitch. Okay, pickle going in. Are you joking right now? Okay, of course I have to film my reaction for the Colt. The Colt, this is also on my vlog. Here's the chickle. Okay, here we go.
Very good.
Everything I needed and more. Thank you for coming to my chickle segment. Literally exposed for having a messy fucking desk. Ready for this though? This is Trevor's. Oh my god, no way! No fucking way! Catch me literally gonna search up right now what 444 stands for, okay? Also, I switched into this like one piece. Super cute. No way it's 444. Like, why the fuck was my light doing that? My FBI is watching. Hey, I'm gonna have 1,700 notes. You do not want to go through my notes. Oh my god. But I was thinking as a video idea, I want to do like going through my notes while I do my makeup. Because I have some crazy fucking notes, okay? I'm a crazy bitch. Nearing the end of one phase. I hope it's the fucking not having any money phase. That was crazy. That was literally just for me and for you. We're about to hop on stream. But we got Samoa's last night. And you know what?
That's a cool fucking background.
Fire, huh? Yeah, babe. I go to fucking show the setup 444.
Damn, bro. Here's the shit, bro.
Setting up a stream right now.
Yeah, getting it ready to go.
Shining fire burning on the dance floor. Whoa.
Say hi to the vlog, everyone. Hey, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Period. Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog. Period. Period. Period.
How in the hell is Tess okay with this suicide mission?
Weed and Red Bull.
Really?
Girl dinner.
Broad's not as smart as I thought she was. Once upon a time, I had somebody that I cared about.
Stupid pile.
I'm gonna go make dinner because I'm hungry.
Is it nail?
Okay, dinner time. money motherfucking pasta. Wife me up. Money march. I am claiming. And I am claiming for the people watching. Okay, I made money pasta for dinner. With literal money signs as the pasta.
So good. Fuck, I'm starving, bro.
I think I just found my new way to make pasta.
Yeah?
We're
That's hard
playing
work.
The Last of Us.
So,
Daddy
good on
Joel.
you. Daddy Joel. Bro.
Let's do a little edit. Pretend like you're
Okay.
an edit.
It's like I waited my one life. Oh! I did not mean to do that, bro. I almost died. That was not funny. I'm actually about to die, bro. That was
The fact I
wild.
got that on camera, that's funny as shit.
Oh, what?
Oh, and not me playing Starlers. I'm like, whoa, that was fucking rad as shit. It's so annoying how Trevor's PC like just looks so good. Holy shit, sensitivity. Wait, would that be on his or not? Oh, fucking hate a pump shotgun too. Everyone knows this. Oh, what the fuck? Bruh. I know you didn't. Oh my god, of course you have the riot shield. That is like so not cool. Bro. Oh my god, that's so rude! There's no way. Oh, you fucker. Oh my god, there's no way that I'm actually doing so bad.
Wow.